It's my playtime now. I'm going to play with Batman and the robot. But first, I will turn on my lamp. Alexa, turn on the lamp.
Okay.
Let's play. Yay! Yay! Oh, I forgot to turn off my lamp. Let me use my iPad to turn it off. Alexa, turn off lamp.
Okay.
Hello everyone and welcome back to our VegQ. So as you saw in the previous clip, I could turn on and off my LED or lamp here from anywhere I was. So I went down and still I had been able to turn this LED off. So how did I do that? Well, this is an ESP32 Duet Dev Kit, and this can be connected to the internet. It is an IoT device. IoT stands for Internet of Things. That means it can be controlled using the internet. I use the Arduino IoT Cloud for my project, and that means from my Arduino IoT Cloud website or the mobile app, I can turn the LED on and off if the ESP32 is connected to the Wi-Fi. I programmed the ESP32 using the Arduino IDE, and I was able to connect it to the internet and work with the Arduino IoT Cloud to be able to control anything. In this case, I'm controlling an LED which is connected to the ESP32's pin 27 and the ground pin. And my first project using IoT is my lamp. So how does the ESP32 work? The ESP32 uses the module ESP32 to connect to the Wi-Fi and receive or send messages through it. Using the ESP32, you can not only use the Arduino IoT Cloud, but you can connect it to Firebase or services like such, or you can create your own web server that will be available to anyone connected to the Wi-Fi you are on. You can also use that web server to communicate with devices or motors or sensors through the ESP pins. So how did I make it? I made it using this LED that is connected to two wires. The longer pin on the LED is the positive wire, and the wire that is at the bottom. So this wire is connected to the pin 27 of the ESP32. The orange wire, however, is on the top, and it's a negative wire, and it's connected to the ground pin of the ESP32 over here. I have stuck my LED to this popsicle stick, which is also behind Batman to give it a design. I have put Batman on a model of the White House, and it looks as if Batman is saving the White House. This is a fun lamp idea, and you can make it yourself. All you have to do is use the code that I'm giving you here. To get started with the Arduino IoT Cloud, you must first create an account or use a pre-existing account and log in to the Arduino IoT Cloud. Then you must create a thing, which is basically a project, you could say. You'll also have to add a device which will be the ESP32 DoIT DevKit V1. After that, you must create a variable. You must create a name for it, for me, lamp, and set its type to anything you want. If you want to create a light, you must add a light like this, which will be a cloud light. I've already created the light, so it's giving an error that it's already in use. Once you add your variable, then you can use it in your sketch, which is basically your program. So most of this will be made automatically for you, but not all. So first it will include a thing called thinkproperties.h. This is basically created by the Arduino IoT Cloud and declares all your IoT devices and your IoT variables. So as you can see, you are using a variable called Arduino IoT Preferred Connection to begin the Arduino IoT Cloud, and all of that is made by this function called initProperties, which is in thinkproperties.h. In the setup function, you are starting your serial, and like I said, initting the properties and beginning the Arduino IoT Cloud. But you are also setting your message debug level, which can be a number between 1 to 4, and the default is 2. And you are also going to print the debug info, like your device ID, your project ID, your thing ID, and your Wi-Fi information. In the loop, which is basically the function that's run over and over by the ESP32, you are updating the Arduino IoT Cloud. And this is a custom function on lamp change. So this is being called whenever your lamp variable is being changed. Here, this part I have added on my own. The rest part is created automatically. This just checks if the lamp variable, which is given by thinkproperties.h, is on, which is basically 1, and if it is, it's a digital writing, which is basically sending power to the pin 27 of the ESP32 and giving the high power, that is like 5 volts. Otherwise, which means like if lamp is off or 0, then it is removing the power from pin 27 on your ESP32. So if you install the Arduino Create agent, you can use the upload button to upload it to your ESP32 by simply adding the USB to your computer and clicking on the button. Once you are done creating your setup and sketch, you have to go to the dashboard and build a dashboard. From there, you will have to specify your thing that you are going to create a dashboard for. And as you can see here, you will also have to create your variables. So you can create a switch, a push button slider, and many other things that are all listed here. And the things you can also see the widgets for the variables of your things. I've already created mine here, and I can turn the light on and off by clicking on the switch. You can connect it to your Alexa device by installing the Arduino IoT Cloud skill on its skill store. You can install it from your iPad, a phone, or any device running the Alexa app. I hope you liked this project, and if you make your own lamp with IoT, you can share it to me in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Bye!